Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix Snapchat logging you out. So it's a problem which has been affecting many people right now. So there are two types of this problem. So one might be because your account is with someone and they are trying to log in and you are getting logged out from your account in your phone. So to fix it, you just need to change your password and do everything. The another reason might be the server problems and all. So to deal with it, how you can fix it. So just let's learn, and if you have any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Google Play Store and check whether the Snapchat has any updates or no. So let's go with Snapchat. And from here, just check if the Snapchat has any updates or no. So if there is any update, just update it, and then what you need to do is just go to your settings and go to your apps, and from here just go to Snapchat like this, and from here just go to storage and clear cache memory first, and then go to manage space and just delete the app data. And now just go and open your Snapchat and then log in with your account, and then your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how we do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.